In this video, I'll be showing you an overview of the support page within the Clemelopy Workspace. To get to the support page, from your Clemelopy Workspace homepage, click Support in the left navigation bar. Here you'll have the option to view help articles, FAQs, and tutorials, submit a ticket, or view your already submitted tickets. If you select Help Articles, you'll navigate to our support.clemelopy.com page, where you can get additional information to help you right away. To submit a ticket, click Submit a Ticket. You'll notice information for helpful tips on submitting a ticket on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you'll go ahead and click Submit a Support Ticket, enter the subject, category, priority, and as many details as you can. You can even upload attachments here and then click Submit Ticket. Once you've submitted a ticket, it will show up under your My Tickets section. If you don't have any tickets and need to submit a ticket, you can also click Submit Your First Ticket. And that is an overview of the support page.